So first we need to attach these 4 DC motors into this chassis holes. So let's start one by one, and you will need these screws to attach it. So just attach it one by one. Okay, let me do this thing. Okay, so now these 4 DC motors are attached to this chassis. So just make sure these screws should be tightly connected to these 4 DC motors. Okay, now let's attach these 4 wheels with the DC motors. So let's connect these wheels. Okay, first one. So I have attached these 4 wheels with each of DC motors. Now we need these wire ends of the DC motors to the upside of this chassis. So we need to insert these wires through this hole because we need these wires on the upside. So just do this particular thing. So it's pretty simple. So you can see these wires on the upside of the chassis. Okay, now connect this motor shield to your Arduino Uno socket. So connect it carefully, make sure you should not damage its pin. Just connect the pins into the socket of the Arduino. Okay, it's connected. Now I'll connect the DC wire ends to the port of this motor shield. So this motor shield has got 4 port. So let me connect these wires one by one. Okay. So let's connect. Okay. Now these 4 motors are attached to the motor shield. Now we need to power up this connection. So for this purpose we need the 6 batteries of 1.5 volt, and you can use the simple double-sided tape to stick these connections on your chassis board. So just cut this double-sided tape and stick all your connections. You can just stick it easily. Make sure these wires should not be disturbed. Okay, let's stick the other connection. So it was the very basic and simple connection. It will not take much time and not much things to know that these are the basic connection, the very simple connection. So it was all the connection part, and we have assembled all the circuit. Okay, let's move to the coding part.